Okay guys, now welcome back. I'm here now. Is this still Momi? Am I still Momi? This is still Momi, isn't it? Okay. So I'm here in Momi, and I'm very graciously accompanied by Vilimoni, sorry, I beg your pardon, Vilimoni, who is from Native City but is visiting Momi. And we have, sorry, I don't know your name. Rossellini. Now, I was supposed to visit the Momi guns, but they are closed until the middle of January. So on the way back, I came across this on the way back, I came across this Bure, which is so rare and so unique. So we're going to have a quick look, and the couple who live here very graciously, very kindly allowed us to have a look. Wow, look at this. Okay.
Yeah.
So Vili,
yeah.
Tell me, this is coconut. No, so bamboo. This is bamboo. This is bamboo, isn't it? Okay.
We cut bamboo and then we beat them up.
Okay.
And spread them up, and then we weave them.
Okay.
As it is.
As it is. So this has been weaved, hasn't it?
Yes.
This is what I find absolutely compelling about this Bure is that it's been constructed like they used to do in the olden days, and Bures before the missionaries came were built like this without windows. Then the missionaries came and then they put windows in. So this is about as traditional a Bure as you're ever likely to see. And look at this here. This is
thatching.
Thatching.
Yeah, thatching is
from what?
I've forgotten the name of this grass.
Okay.
They're similar to what we have there.
Okay. Sorry, boss. I forgot. I don't know your name. Julian. Thank you. Sorry, Julian. I should have been. It's a bit windy, isn't it, Julian? Okay, Julian. What is this material? Where's it from? Did you get it?
This is done from the village.
From the village, yeah? Okay. Wow. So this.
Yeah.
And at the top, you've got the.
That's much finer grass.
Yes.
Yeah.
No, that beam across the top. What's it called again? I forget.
This one.
Okay, so.
This one.
What's that?
Yes.
That goes where?
This is the one that I'm.
Oh, okay. So that's okay. So there's this layer,
yeah.
And up the top there is this grass here.
Yes.
This sort of grass here. Is it? No, this sort of grass.
No, this one.
Oh, this one. Okay, so that goes, and that's how they used to do it in the olden days.
We have all the resources.
Exactly.
Yeah.
My goodness. Okay. Okay, Billy. That beam growing. What's it called again? I forget.
That one.
It's the
balambala.
Balambala. Sorry, that's it.
Balambala.
That's balambala.
Yeah.
Okay, and that's exactly how they used to do it in the old days.
Yes, exactly. And
Okay.
then
Okay, this is amazing.
the strings.
Yes. To hold the balambala in place.
The creepers.
Ah,
That
okay.
covers the mango trees out there.
Okay.
So those are the natural.
No. This
Over there.
Okay.
On the forest.
In the forest, yes.
Those creepers.
Yes.
Covering up the mango trees.
Yes. Those
They
creepers.
have long. That's what we used to tie the balambala.
Okay. Because you see balambala at the entrances to villages with faces on them and that sort of thing, don't you?
Yeah, we cover them up like faces, and then
Yeah.
exactly what we have here.
Wow, this is. I just find this so charming because you do not see Bures like this anymore. When people build houses, they build them with concrete. They certainly don't build them like they used to in the olden days. And if they did build them like they did in the olden days, they put windows in. But here we've got we don't have windows,
Yeah.
and exactly because before the missionaries came, Fijian Bures were built without windows. Windows were introduced by the missionaries, and of course the rest is history. Now you see houses being built made of concrete, but this is about as traditional as it gets. Sorry, Julian. Sorry, Julian. Is it all right to have? Thank you, Julian. So this is it. This is lovely. This is exactly how it is.
You like to look right up?
Can I? Yeah. Let's take my shoes off.
You look at the structures. That is.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh yes. Sorry. Is it all right, Julian? Can you go in? It's okay. Okay. So this is what it's like inside. Okay, wow.
This is the coconut leaf thatching.
Okay, that's the coconut leaf.
We whip them
thatching.
up, and this is a first layer that's going to go
Yeah.
on top of these, what you call
Okay.
the structure.
The structure. Okay. Okay. So that's all coconut leaves, isn't it?
It's coconut leaves.
So that's all coconut, and that's only used on the inside.
Yeah, this is the string that I was talking about. This
Okay.
one.
Okay. Oh, okay. So that's
holding the mat, the weaving.
So that's the stuff that's holding this all together, and it's from the these are vines hanging off mango trees.
Right.
Okay.
Those
Okay.
are the vines.
Okay.
We beat them up,
Yeah.
and then we shred them up.
Yeah.
It comes into those fine that
Wow,
we tie them up.
okay.
So it's all natural.
It's all natural, isn't it?
Yeah.
This is just amazing. This is quite epic for me. I mean, it's in its small way.
Yeah.
It's a demonstration of the traditional arts of Fiji that have been neglected.
Yeah.
You know, and I find this just incredible. I better leave them to there. Thank you. Thank you, guys. That was just for me. You know, you just don't. Sorry, I'm still got. Look at me. For me, I get excited when I see a bure like this. It's so cozy, so cute. And I just ran into Vilimoni. Sorry, I just ran into Vilimoni just at a bus shelter, just down there, wasn't it? So I gave Vilimoni a lift, and I actually came here earlier, but I thought the couple had gone to Suva, but they're back from Suva. And you'll notice, the other thing you'll notice about Fijian villages and Fijian bures is there's always a breadfruit tree.
A breadfruit? Yes.
That's not breadfruit, is it?
That's kura.
Oh, that's kura. Sorry, yes, that's kura. That's kura. That's another traditional.
That was the right statement. We have breadfruit down there.
Okay, there is breadfruit.
So
Okay.
It complements our
Okay.
daily.
Okay, thank you, Billy. And kura, look at me, I'm still walking. And I've got a hole in my sock. Kura is very, look at this kura. There we go. That is kura. That is kura there. That is kura. And it's been raining, so my socks are getting a little bit wet. But I don't care because I find this whole thing exciting. But kura has great medicinal properties, doesn't it, Billy?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm sorry, I've caught these guys at a hop there. They're probably... I'm so sorry. This is just so exciting for me, you know? And I apologise for turning up so unexpectedly. You guys were in Suva? Yeah. Okay, I really apologise. I mean, you're probably resting. It's a public holiday. It's December the 27th. It should be a public holiday. These people should be resting, but I'm bothering them. And I just find this whole thing exciting. Yeah, about seeing this cosy little bure. Look at it from over here. So I haven't got my shoes on, but look at this cosy bure. Wow. So there you go, guys. That is a traditional bure. And like I said in one of my earlier vlogs, when one door closes, another door opens. The Momi gun that I wanted to take you on a tour of today isn't open until the middle of January. We spoke to the ranger at... Thank you, guys.
Living like this.
They were living like this,
Yeah.
that's right, exactly right, yeah. Okay, Julian.
So that's how they start with their family. So
Yeah.
when they get the jobs like that,
Yeah.
they can...
Okay, I love it. I just love it. I saw it and I fell in love with it straight away. I thought, you know, you just don't see this sort of, you know, bure these days, eh? You just don't see it.
You know, in villages we have, I think there's another two
In Momi village?
in Momi village.
Okay.
There's two.
Okay, like this?
Yeah. That's another thing that we told them. It's
Yeah.
due to climate change and because of the intensive that we're seeing now.
Yeah.
This would be the best alternative.
Absolutely. With
Yeah.
climate change, these are the best
This
things
is the best option.
against cyclones and bad weather conditions. That just goes to show you that, you know, the ancient Fijians knew a thing or two about climate change, and they knew how to protect the houses. And we've lost all that information, but they're still there in the in Momi village.
It's just recently been built.
Recently been built.
Yes.
Okay, that might be a subject of a future vlog.
Yeah.
And do they have windows?
And we were Yeah,
They do?
have windows.
Okay, okay.
But this one is still unique.
This is
Because that was
unique.
the actual Fijian Bure that we have in the past.
Yeah, yeah, and this is
Olden days.
unique. This is
Without
unique.
windows.
And there we go. There's me with my holes in my socks. And I've taken, because I took my shoes off and I was just too excited to put my shoes back on. But there you go. That's me and the rest of the guys saying thank you for watching this vlog. Until the next time. Happy New Year, yes. 2022. It's just a few days away, isn't it? Incredible, isn't it? What an amazing year it's been with the virus and this and that and goodness knows what else.
Quite a lot.
And we're still not quite.
So much.
I know, we're not still over it. We still
have it around.
we still got Omicron.
We're
So
hoping Omicron is going to disappear.
we're hoping. So with those thoughts, hang on to those thoughts, guys. We're hoping that the world is going to be a much better place for 2022, and we can see the end of this virus. And so from this delicious, listen to me, delicious, delicious. Am I going to eat it? From this delightful Bure in Momi, that's me signing off. Thank you very much for watching. Bye, guys. Vinaka.